Hey guys, this is Sanjib once again from PCS Global Pvt Limited, Calcutta. Today I will speak about internship program which is currently under process with PCS, which brings a lot of 4 beautiful programs for you to learn about and in depth. But before I speak about this, I have extracted a good quote to all of you to listen. It will probably value add for you all. A person cannot achieve. A person cannot achieve his or her real success and happiness until he or she learns the art of having tolerance, sacrifice, care, and respect for others. I feel that this is a very important quote for all of us to note. Now, the program, what PCS is bringing for you. This is absolutely a program of information technology. Being our information age, we all should be aware that whatever the stream we are in, if we are interested for computer technical knowledge, we should know there is a lot of program is currently on. But all of your friends probably discussing about the programs and you are getting confused, but which program we should actually carry out. But don't get confused, because if you join the faculty of PCS through this training, they will definitely guide you that which program is most suitable for you to learn about for better placement after you pass out the industry. Now, whatever may be the programs you are hearing about, but these 4 programs are very, very vital programs currently. First one is, Java new features, Java core, probably JavaScripts you have heard. I am mentioning Java new features you should learn about. And then Python, this is a very vital program, public data science. That is one of the good program you should be aware. JavaScript. And the last one is Salesforce, not the least, which is the tsunami of this program. Probably you have not heard yet, but it will fetch another for 10-15 years in IT revolution fields. Okay, this is the exclusive CRM package currently. So these are all package, you can be at least idea of this package you can get is a very small duration of 2 months, 2 months duration. And below is the link where you can be able to make your registration for learning, to get into the registration for this link with PCS. I will read out, because probably in this board you will not be able to visualize the link. It is http:// then write tiny TINY dot again CC Calcutta oblique W, then numerical 7 2 RUZ. Okay, I repeat, it is 7Z. It is 7Z RU again Z. I repeat, W for world, 7 numerical, Z for zebra, R for round, U for umbrella, Z for zebra again. And note down, my name is Sanjib, as you are aware of. Note down my contact number. This is 97489618890. If you would like to know more about this program, you can speak to me. Don't hesitate to call me, and this is my WhatsApp number also. You can also call me, so that I will get you in touch with my learning HR and learning team, so that they will do the necessary formalities for registration. Now, time is very essential for each one of us life. So the program has already started. July batch has already started. So there is lot of, there is always, whenever we are starting a batch, we have some limitation, probably 15 to 20 we can be able to accommodate. So rush with, so that you should be decisive to take a decision to be enrolled immediately, so that we can accommodate you. So this time is not wait for you. You should hurry on this and take a chance to enroll yourself. And the opportunity has come. So if you have any time left, and simultaneously if you are studying also, you feel that you will be able to do one of the course, you please do that. My only request, it will definitely bring more benefit for you. It will help you out. And this simultaneous course, whenever you will be able to pass out from the college or university, it will obviously give you tremendous benefit, as I feel, to be placed in future wherever the industry or any software company wherever you would like to join. Okay, so this is all about this today's program. About I have spoken about this. So be safe, be healthy, stay healthy, and take good care of you and your family members, and be blessed always. Good luck, and I will once again meet you and bring more valuable videos on behalf of PCS as a brand team member next. And see you soon. Bye bye.